My name is Jõeleht and this is my colleague Tagli Pitsi. We're from National Institute for Health Development in Estonia, and we're here to give you a short overview on the web-based sources of nutrition information. More specifically, on NutriData food composition database and dietary analysis program. So the Estonian diet and nutrition information system NutriData can be found on the following webpage. It's www.nutridata.ee. It includes 3 main modules, which are dietary survey database, the food composition database, and the dietary analysis program. The only module currently translated into English is the food composition database. Here is a screenshot of the information system's main page. And on the right, you can see links to the other modules. So now let me give you a short overview of the food composition database. The database includes information on the composition of more than 2,500 most consumed foods in Estonia. And it includes information on 59 nutrients. It originates from the Finnish Mikronutrika program or software for menu analysis, and it dates back to the beginning of 1990s. The current version of the database is currently updated by correcting the existing data by comparing it to other countries' databases. We also add nutritional data from food packages, manufacturers, home pages, and also data obtained directly from manufacturers. Also, 2 food analysis projects have been conducted. The first one was in 2008, when rye bread, milk, and sour cream were analyzed for their nutrition content. And the second one was in 2010, when we analyzed the nutrition content for white bread, kefir, curd cheese, Baltic herring, pork meat, and kama. For those of you who are not familiar with the Estonian national dish, kama, then it's a mix of whole grain flours and ground dry peas. Here's a screenshot of the food composition database's main page. At the top of the page, you can see the menu. Under foods, you will find the food list and also the food search form. Under components, there are the definition of the nutrients currently used in the database, and there is also a possibility to search for foods based on their nutrition content. There is also additional information about the database and its current version, and also a reference list. Here is a screenshot of the food search form. Foods can be searched based on either based on their name, their specific code, or food group. All of the foods have not yet been translated into English, but we're working on it, and they soon will be. Here is an example of 2 food profiles. One is for sea buckthorn berries and the other is for rye bread. You can see the data that is available for both foods, and at the bottom of the page you can see the nutrient list with the according values and also the sources and methods used to obtain these values. I will now give the word over to Tagli, who will talk a bit about the dietary analysis program, which is closely associated with the database since it uses the data in the database, and you can also create your own recipes, so it gives a more individual approach to the data in the food composition database. Thank you.